and welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 3rd to the 7th of November 2025 on Monday. Joanne worries her children might destroy her carefully built family. Mondli and Nyawo uncover how temptation and greed blur the line between law and crime on Tuesday. Joanne refuses to let go of Nkunzi's hand. Madongwe finally wants to come clean, but does Mr. Dongwe. Madlala's spy is caught on Wednesday. Mondli bent his station into a shape. Madongwe makes the boldest statement to the world. Geja receives another lease of life on Friday. Mr. Dongwe put a ring on it. Nyawo, with the help of Nkazimulo, gets important information about his colleagues. Madlala gossips about Madongwe to Mrs. Ngema and Mrs. Gumede. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.